Who's going first?
I'll go first. I love that I get to be the one who listens when you call to vent about your workday, while Spitfire texting me a dozen messages just to make sure I am paying attention. And yes, I always am. I promise to always listen, to always care, to never stop learning from you, to never stop laughing with you, and to never stop loving you. You're my best friend, my partner in crime, my soulmate, and my greatest adventure. I love you.
You, sir, are one of the greatest things I have ever found on the internet. From the moment I met you in the commuter parking lot, my soul recognized your soul from lifetimes past. The connection was felt not only when I looked you in the eyes for the first time, but when Chip was waiting on the front seat, buckled in, nice and safe. And at that moment, I realized you were really hearing me.
You look amazing. No, smudge your lipstick.
I woke up in the middle of the night one time when I realized, thinking about your marriage, that neither of you said that your best qualities were physical. Neither one of you said, oh, it's her eyes, it's the sound of his voice. And it's so, you didn't say it. All right, she likes his shoulders. But the depth of your appreciation goes much deeper than the superficial. It's fabulous. By the power vested in me, by all of you, and by the state of Connecticut, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss your bride.
Jenny was always that person where when things are starting to get hard, instead of stressing, she will help you through it. No matter how busy she is, she'll always make time for you when you need her help. When I first met Adam, I could tell him and Jenny had a special connection, but also how well he was able to fit in the family. Every week, we would have date nights. During these date nights, I would be able to tell you any problems or anything I needed to get off my chest. Thank you, and I love you both.
It's funny, I remember all of us getting in the car, leaving after that moment, and we all just kind of collectively said, Adam should really marry that girl. And Stevie actually texted you and said, you should marry that girl. There's no big dramatic moment or big change. You're just two people who fit completely naturally, completely immediately, like something that was meant to be for a really long time before it was official on paper.